This powerful wind is so strong, it actually pushes the waterfall upward, making it look like gravity has stopped working.
Oh my god, that's amazing. This is pouring. Yeah, it's so bright, you can feel the heat.
The lava flow is creating a massive cloud of steam. The heat was so intense that the photographers could feel it from a distance. This brave man captures deadly venomous snakes and releases them safely back into the wild. What you're looking at is one of the largest and most dangerous whirlpools on Earth. If you fall in, escaping by swimming is almost impossible. If you're enjoying these incredible moments, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And be honest, would you dare jump into this water?
Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Ya Allah.
During a rainy night in Indonesia, a volcano erupted, and then this happened. The ash cloud collided with thunder and lightning, creating a terrifying scene that looked straight out of a movie. In Malaysia, this man desperately called for help, but he was already out of time. These bizarre tornadoes look unreal, but their power is absolutely terrifying.
To się zbliża do nas coraz bardziej, mamuś. Spokojnie. Idzie za górkę.
You'd think this man is standing in the clouds, but it's actually a giant sea of foam. An incredible sight. Thousands of snakes gathered in one place. It looks like a real-life snake kingdom. This scene makes no sense to me. It's seriously strange. Got an explanation? Drop it in the comments. That lightning strike was absolutely insane. This man captured one of the rarest moments ever caught on camera. An iceberg crashing into the ocean. Just watch this.
I'm recording it. Stand up in front of there, Selena. Right. This is too cool.
This fisherman hit the jackpot after finding one of the rarest jellyfish in the world. This tour guide handles deadly snakes like their household pet. This fishing crew came across what looked like an entire army of seals. The sight is absolutely incredible. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.